a bird feeder. We are making bird feeder.
You guys gonna make bird feeders?
Yeah. What's the thing?
Why are you guys making bird feeders?
Because.
The birds need food?
Yes.
Okay. Your string came off?
Yes.
Okay, well then we'll have to tie it back in a minute, okay? Okay. So we're making bird feeder
We're making bird feeder.
with pine cones.
With pine cones.
With peanut butter.
With peanut butter.
Bird seeds.
Yes, that's bird seed.
Pine cone.
And that's how it's supposed to look.
And that's how it's gonna look when we're finished.
Yeah. Between. I tied it back.
You tied it back? You think you tied it back? Shake it to see if it's gonna fall. Is it gonna hold the bird weight? Okay.
Can't hold it one way. Then these are bald.
Okay.
Those are not bald. You want to eat that somewhere.
So what are we doing with the peanut butter, Jaden?
And put it on the
You put it. Okay.
Just stick the bird seed on.
Okay. Jordan, what are you doing? Are you eating the Jordan, are you eating the peanut butter or are you putting it on the pine cone? What are you doing?
Smelling it.
You're smelling it. How does it smell?
The peanut butter. Just like peanut.
It smells like peanut.
Uh-huh.
Do you like peanuts?
Oh no.
You don't like peanuts?
I like peanut. I'm like, oh no. But you eat peanut and bear paw. You turn that. Did you get that? Did you get that?
How it looks.
And then the bear paw box.
What did you see? What did you see on the paw box?
A time it says no peanuts.
A sign that says no peanuts.
A sign says no peanuts. A sign saying no peanuts. Under two I got you?
Yes, under. Nice. That's it. And
Look. I got hold it and just
yes, just put it in between.
Mommy?
Nice job.
I'm
What's
gonna
your problem?
do this.
That's okay, we can clean it. But the placemat is messed up with enough peanut butter. We're gonna
Lick
clean.
it. It's just.
He wanna eat a peanut butter, Angelina.
I know, but it's not to eat. It's to just decorate the thing. But after I'm gonna get real peanut butter.
It is real peanut butter, but these are for
The birds. The birds.
right. These
Soon
ones
I
are.
get one that's not for birds. And I get to eat. There's one just for birds?
No, Jaden. Okay, what are you doing now, Jaden? What are you doing now, Jaden? This is the fun part, right?
Yeah.
All the
parts are fun.
all the parts are fun.
Take one, okay? Try that one out, please. Like that. Okay.
How does it look?
Good.
Can you shake?
I know it's already.
Nice. How do you like that? What are you doing, Jordan? You gotta sing the song that you were singing. Okay, you want to raise it up now? Let me see how it looks.
Dana, you're thinking about apple.
Start.
Start. Start now.
Yes. What are you doing?
Sprinkling some seeds on it.
You're sprinkling some seeds in it.
You're doing Jordan and Jaden.
That's fine.
You're doing Jordan and Athena.
That's okay.
Because Jordan tied the big to you.
Raise up the bird.
Way up your bird now. Whoa. Wow. Wow.
Okay, can you raise it up from the string now? You see, I see how it looks.
Raining, raining, twinkle star.
Okay, Angelina, can you, Angelina,
Angelina.
just lift it from the string. Let me see how it looks.
And do it more.
Wow.
Can I do it?
Nice. Yeah, you can do it some more.
Yay, more.
What are you doing, Jacob?
Twinkle, twinkle, star,
Yes.
how I wonder where you are. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
You sprinkle, sprinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little, how I wonder what you are.
Can you brace it up for mommy? See how it looks now, Jacob?
Look,
Wow.
mine look good.
We have some lucky birds, don't we?
Yeah, they move. We saw
can
a
put it-
red bird by the window today.
You saw a red bird at the
Yeah,
window?
on Carla's tree.
Okay. What is the red bird? You know what's the name of the red bird?
Robin?
No.
I know. Not that boat, Mama. Carnival.
Okay, Jacob, can I see how yours look?
Right?
Nice. We're gonna put it on the tree outside now, okay?
Yes. And
Okay.
also, that's my own.
Can I see yours now, Angelina?
There's 5 for them.
You can sit down, you know. I can get your face. You sit down, Angelina. Sit. I can get your face. Thank you. Nice. Can I see yours, Jordan?
Twinkle, twinkle, little vampire. Twinkle, twinkle. Yeah, tap, 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 tap. Zombie brains.
Can I see yours, Jaden?
Zombie brains. Fiber seed is falling. Kind of like corner. I don't know.
Okay, look, can I see yours, Jaden?
Sprinkle, sprinkle. All
What is the bird name, Jaden? The red bird.
Cardinal.
And what's the one with the brightish color on the tummy?
Well, the black and
The brown with the the reddish color?
Robin.
Robin. Okay.
Robins are black and orange.
Robins?
Mm-hmm.
No, it is black. Is it not? It's brown and orange.
You colored it and you said all the robins. You color it brown and their tummies are orange.
Okay. So this is Jaden and Jordan's, Angelina and Jacob.
And the bird the same color, right?
Yes, you're just saying color.
Fangs.
Mommy's gonna hang them out on the tree.
I'm not gonna do this one.
I'm gonna take them outside and hang them on the trees now. Okay?
On Mommy's own.
Fine. Yes, mommy done. Here are the kids. Bird feeders. See, the birds are enjoying your bird seeds, Jordan.
Yeah.
See them, Jaden?
Yeah. What is that?
It's a lot of them.
Forward. Oh, very one.